The content on your KBucket page is created and edited inside of Curator. In Curator, you go to your KBucket files section. We have a tutorial under Curator that shows you how you can create these. You can either export the file manually or copy the link to the file, which is a recommended way to do this. Go over to your plugin. Under Upload KBucket, you can now paste it into this section and then set up your schedule and start it. And from this point on, your content is going to be synced with your KBucket page. I also recommended to go to your Set Social. Under Set Social, you can set default images for each one of your channels. So in case any of your posts does not have an image, it can then take on the image, the default image that you have set here. You can also choose which one of the folders you want to have published and which ones you don't. Usually you have an option to create widgets and add blocks. We will talk about this later, but that's the reason why you may not want to have some of those pages displayed on the resource hub.